it was plastic bag that get banned. Nowadays everybody got a phone in a them hands. As you slip, you gone viral. Same thing make them lock up. Elephant man style of G touchdown cause a little friction. Beer what a dash him and Steph London. Everybody don't know Maca Diamond is a hollow man, but when you Google her age, she a 101. Jamaica or China, 80 billion. Capleton win him case, them free the fireman. Pastor kick down a ras, tell him hold in position. MC Nuffy say him a go sue Spice. Them say Cartel a king of dancehall. Pan Fox 5, R.I.P. Doreen Samuel. Edward Siaga rotten in a hell. Cockpit country, that them want sell. The two party are the same, and I vote for none of them. Anyway, enough of that. Ding dong get married. Big congrats. Sizzler crash off a bike, Chronic Clark yard turn over on the top. Him a worry Javelani draw out Deva Brat. Be a clash of go on alkaline and squash. But moving right along. Enough about the war. Every day the internet turns somebody in a star. First it was mackerel, then a candy wow. Bully beef try a thing, but them never bust the cow. Them say Sprague Benz dead, them say Black Rhino dead. Beer rumors them a spread, them say Marvin the Beast now have no bed. Conscience poor nose, and a wear blouse. Guess who them say a fish, not the one Eka mouse. Here in review, Craig Lure start that. If you hear another one, real copycat. See him so the boy popcorn. Teeth me song level up down to the artwork. It's like him not have no ideas or him brain not work. Kanye West come a yard, come keep church and a charge. $2 bills US for a Jamaica t-shirt. Ramesh and Sumfest, the deal never work. Say them no one pay him why my artists them worth. The fans them hurt. Police lock off the show, the 6 them no get for work. Facebook shut down, WhatsApp shut down. Marcus this Bujo and him get boxed down. Now have nothing for second that a father and son. A few days later Bujo pack stadium. A bag of things left so just wait pon the rest. Shensia in a bed with gal and I say she feel blessed. Them say Beanie get a jacket. What a something. If you ever see the baby dead stamp a Peter Bunting. Gated community, style of G stunting. Police search the house but all them find was dumpling. Must be an artist, them a run the whole place. A hour time now, so don't watch no face. Every gal have fake breasts and fake cars, and them a bubble them body for the up top boss. Them say candy sell front and a bun coke. Spice baby daddy say she time like goat. Some man do anything for bus. The thing set away, man, I mash up them car just to get airplay. Even though be a man want turn DJ. MP get murder, buy him fishy lover. Dalton Harris cut off him one mother. Yannick and Tifa perform for the gays. But speaking about Yannick, what a gal brave. Say she had this footer drop her jaws on stage. I do not crash the Benz but him great, him only get a few scrape. But next time did it just shadow a break. Big up to Miss Donna, she a do a great job. Police raid Bujo room in a Trinidad. Me a pen robbery, that was like a movie. The whole place hot and Zozo can't cool it. Gage versus Shano, as you think the clash done. Yo, all the woman them a clash. I shine a Dovey Magnum. Yo, some man a cuss bout song and them a wear the wrong logo. 10 years ago me build a song named Polo. Keep your eyes on the prize. A whole tune where your voice can bust by surprise. If you think say a lie, ask Beezive. R.I.P. Louis Rankin. Passed up on camera, do the wrong thing. A little vibes did go on with Massacre and One King. But speaking about Reagan, they mean them. Jah know me have to laugh when me see them. But me nah go beat him, cause me link with a couple IMG them. Them do a survey, tell the woman them fi stop it. Jamaican woman, give the most jacket. D.E. Angel say she want the same respect like coffee. Look like she a claffy. Free medical, come on the big ship. A bag of vice note. Everybody skeptic. Philip Palwell, USA visa, cancel and revoke. Darrell Vaz lose fame too, but him not cope. Him say him take a vote, him a resign if him not get it back. What a big joke, sick a rhyme get shot, Ivani get shot. If you don't know what you are do, your IG get hacked. Congrats to Miss World, Jamaica feel proud, everything we dominate. Yeah, we ting loud, Conscience wife left him in my ball pon the gram. Say him a go drop him boy ways and start talk like a big man. US immigration lock up footer hype. We not sure what happened yet, but I hope him alright. R.I.P. Mass big pants, Mr. Death don't care. Him no response. Anyway, make me wrap this up now, cause that was a lot and this can't listen one time, so pull it up back. This is not a diss song, so nobody don't scream. And it's not a mix up if I saw the thing seem. Just a bag of thing what me hear and seen. Here in review, 2019.
Let me go. Yes. Women these days, they're forcing man to eat their salvage. Yeah. They have a way that does hold your head down inside the dish. You make it strong. They got you in the jam. And when you can't get away, people judgment. So I say to eat. I don't want to eat. I'm not making jokes. You're selfish, just joke. Selfish to salt. I want it at all. Yeah. I ain't eating, no way, not me. Some women today, they just ain't good relationship. Just because a wife don't want to eat the saltfish. And if your tongue is strong, to say tongue be long. Tell yourself, you're getting on. Don't ask me to eat, I don't want to eat. I'm not making joke, you're selfish to joke. You're selfish to salt, I want to I ain't eating, no way, not me. Them old men today, them is who start this foolishness. Oh God, it's them we have them women today in this slackness. Taking out the balls. Love thinking bad man, I'm not making sure. You're selfish to salt. You're selfish to salt. I ain't eating, no way, not me. Them young boys today, them and all diving in the dish. They eating the saltfish and lying and say they like eating. Putting all the blame on them old men. And when they get Lord, they don't feel so shame. Don't ask me to eat, I don't want to eat. I'm not making joke. You're selfish to joke. You're selfish to salt. I want it I ain't in no way, not me. I ain't in saltfish. I ain't licking your dish. I ain't in saltfish. I ain't licking your dish. I ain't in saltfish. I don't want it.
Yeah, man, go on.
It continue?
Yes.
Yeah. So we just right there. Me and a DJ about the thing where everybody afraid of. As far as me know, long as me remember, if you're born and you grew up in Jamaica, you don't want nobody call you an informer, but you see me very proud informer. When I do it for myself, but for Jamaica, informer, we have to make the sacrifice to make the place safer.
Tribal is a proud informer. Me have a number for the sergeant inspector. Me must be an informer. If me can't get this work, me call commissioner. So we are informer because we not support the crime. If you do the crime, do the time, pay the fine. Crime is mashing up this country and we acting like a blind. Should have put a stop into this thing long time. So if me see a boy with a special or a 9, bust up on my phone, dial 119. I give the operator all information in face, color, clothes, in full complexion and put the icing on the cake in GPS location. You stay up on the phone till all the police them reach. The civic duty, me see a that, me a pray. So I'm talking to the parents and the kids and the teach. Shot on the criminals, them coming like leech. You know how long but one go night beach, but we can't touch the road because too much gunshot a week. Every night in my house through the grill, me have to eat it out. We just vex, you know.
Deputy Superintendent of Police, Mr. Tribal Orton. Thank you very much, sir, for this very informal interview.
Love Portland, love the people. And we're going to be out there on the streets tonight ensuring that you're safe into the new year. And we're looking forward to a much better, much more peaceful, much more interactive year. JCF and Force for Good Portland. Police officers saying, big up.
We got.